Hello everyone. This is a tutorial on a unique, very elastic knit that is simple to make. There are 2 rows and 4 loops in the scheme. The example has a multiple of 4 loops plus 1 for symmetry and 2 edge stitches. We start from the wrong side. Row 1 is on the wrong side. After the edge loop, the repeat pattern is knit 1, yarn over, knit 2 together through the back, knit 1, again, knit 1, yarn over, knit 2 together through the back, knit 1. Row 2 is on the right side. After the edge loop, the repeat pattern is purl 1, slip the 3rd loop, knit 1 through the front, knit 1 through the back, again, purl 1, slip the 3rd loop, knit 1 through the front, knit 1 through the back, I've shown you a unique, simple elastic knit with many texture features, an intriguing design, and lovely relief. I highly recommend it. If you'd like to check out my knit creations and get them for yourself or as a gift, visit knitnotspace.com. I appreciate you all being here. If you enjoy the video, please click the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications never to miss a video. I hope that you found inspiration for your next knitting project. Thanks for joining me, and I look forward to seeing you soon.